Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Detangle and mist with light leave-in to control flyaways. This reduces snags and keeps tension even. Once done, gather 3 equal strands from the crown, hold them between fingers, and cross the right over the center, then left over center. Make sure to pull with steady, moderate tension so the braid sits neat without cutting circulation. If hair is layered, smooth shorter pieces with a bit of product before the next cross to prevent slipping. Continue by adding hair. Before each cross, pick up a thin slice from the corresponding side and add it to the outer strand. This is how the French technique secures sections. You should alternate sides. Once added, cross that outer strand into the center. Maintain consistent tension. Pinch with thumbs near the base as you move down to keep the braid even. If pieces pop out, press them into the braid and continue. A tiny dab of gel tames stubborn flyaways. Finish by gathering remaining hair once you reach the nape and braid regular 3-strand to the ends. Secure with an elastic and optionally wrap excess into a bun. Once tied, gently tug outer loops for volume. This also hides minor tension differences. If you see gaps or slipping, stop and re-anchor the nearest cross by undoing a few inches, correcting strand placement, then tighten gradually so you don't create hard kinks. Practice keeps hands quick and movements smooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.